Let's talk about GitHub. Well, that has completely changed the way programmers deploy their applications in last 5 to 10 years. Well, why it is so important and how that can be used by different aspects of programmers which is there in the industry. Well, if you're just starting out, you're just writing a small HTML, CSS, JavaScript codes or writing small snippets in Python, well, GitHub account is very useful to create a portfolio. Those GitHub links in your CVs would attract more eyeballs from the employers and also give validation to the work that you have done. Well, for smaller teams, GitHub account is great for collaboration. You have a team working in front end, you have a team working in back end, probably sharing the same database, some code branch. GitHub is very good for collaborating the teams, maintaining the versions, maintaining other things like sanctity of the code, making deployment similar and easy. For a bigger team, like where we have a DevOps separate focus, have a team where you're using probably like a Kubernetes, there GitHub is very useful because it seamlessly integrates with all the DevOps element in cloud. Also, from a development side, it seamlessly integrates with the IDE that you'll be working on. So this is a very important 3 uses for 3 different use cases of GitHub.